channel, the Adama SHEHU show. My name is Adama SHEHU. Today I'll give you guys 5 tips and tricks on how to survive Lagos bus life. Stay tuned.
Baby, you're always on my mind, and I think about you all the time.
Welcome back, guys. So guys, before I move further, please like my video, subscribe, comment, share. Anything you want to do with this video, please do. Just show me love, show me love. So let's just get right into it. So I've written down 5 tips on how to survive Lagos bus life. In buses in Lagos, I have voted myself. Yes, argue with yourself. I have voted myself as the federal minister of entering buses in Lagos. So let me just get right into it. So my first tip for you guys is your change, and by your change I mean do not enter your bus with, don't enter a bus with 1,000 naira or 500 naira, or else you're going to have the longest trip. 2 things are going to happen. It's either the conductor pairs you up with 5 other people and then you guys sort yourself out, or this is how you keep on yelling in the bus, "Conductor, my change, my change, my change." Like you're going to have a lot of headaches. So always take your change. Your change, 100 naira, 50 naira, 200 naira, anything, but avoid 1,000 naira and 500 naira. Step number 2, essentials. For essentials for entering the bus, like you have to have this essential. Number 1 I recommend is your sunscreen. Don't say it's only for bougie people or ajebota. Everybody should have a sunscreen. You must have your sunscreen. So don't end up looking like a chameleon at the end of the day. You don't end up looking like a chameleon at the end of the day. Your cap, your water to stay hydrated, your hand sanitizer. Guys, Lagos is, yeah. I don't want to say the word, but you always have to have your hand sanitizer because you're going to touch money and all this stuff. So always keep your hand sanitizer and your handkerchief to dab your sweats. All those essentials, you need it because Lagos is really hot. And tip number 3, this actually is slang or like a street word. If you hear waso means 50 naira. So the conductor can say waso, that's 50 naira, come in, it's 50 naira. Or you can tell the conductor waso ni money, that means it's 50 naira I have, and that will be like, okay, come in, don't come in. Either way, waso means 50 naira. Another thing, when you find anybody, but another thing I hear guys saying a lot, people saying a lot is, I'm highlighting here. I'm highlighting here, or there is, I'm topping up. Like if you say those terms, you're going to sleep on the road, or you're going to pass your bus stop. The real word is owa. That means I'm dropping here. Stop now. Owa. Always say owa. Don't say I'm highlighting, please. That thing will kill. Don't say I'm highlighting. Say owa. Tip number 4. The best seat, guys. I'm going to give you guys the best seats. Come closer, guys. Like this, you have to ascertain this is the best seat. The best seat is the middle seat by the window side. The middle seat by the window side. And let me tell you why other seats are not so good. The front seat, they'll put one rinky-dinky seatbelt over your head to come to, I don't know, just wrap it around you so that FRSC won't stop you, or last man. But if they push brake, you're going to fly out of that window, and 90% of the time that seatbelt is really very dirty. So you always change it, always stains my shirt. Anytime I see that in front, I just know that maybe I'm going to the market and I'm not really going to shop with anybody. So because you always stain your shirt, so I avoid the front seat. Then you sit behind the driver. Guys, I have long legs, so and that place is usually very short. So you're like this, you're clamped together. So I always avoid the seat behind the driver. Then the back seats. Oh, the back seats, that's where they keep goods. The engine is like the back seat. So if they have like so many goods, you're going to be sitting like this, like you're going to be tilted forward, and or there's to be smoke, or when the conductor closes the door, you're going to hear bang, like your head. Actually, it's actually really horrible. So I always avoid the back seat. Then the middle seat, you're on your own. You're sitting by the window side. You can look at the window. You can look outside the window. Nobody's stepping on your foot. When you're coming there, you can step on other people's foot, but your left still remains really clean. So I'll always recommend you sit by the window side. Tip number 5, guys, this one is very important too. If all have said you don't care, you don't like, no, this is not useful, this one is very useful. You have to be patient and careful. Don't be in a hurry to enter a bus. I know everybody's in a hurry. Lagos is a rush hour, a rush city, whatever you call it. Be patient. look at the driver, look at the conductor, look at the people in the bus. You don't want to board the bus and you find yourself in a promotion, pricing your kidney. I'm joking, or anything. Like, no, God, please always be careful. That's like, be careful. Safety is always first. Be patient. I can't stress you. Be patient. I know everybody's in the public, but be patient. Be careful as well. And that's it for that tip for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tips I gave you. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Please give it a thumbs up. And in the comment section, you guys can give me feedback on what I missed, what I didn't miss, what you like to add, what you guys have experienced as well. Anything at all. Let's interact in the comments below. And guys, do remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. Anything you want with this video, please do it. I love you and God bless you guys. Bye. You smile.